Are you just keeping Java, .NET, SQL or JavaScript on your resume? That will not be qualified for any job profile. There are additional skills which are required even to qualify your resume for the job. Let's discuss more on this today in the coming sections. Please continue watch. Hello everyone, I am RK. I have around 15 years of experience in software development and I have taken hundreds of interviews who are coming from startups, big MNCs, and what I understand one single truth is, let's discuss further. Not only the coding, there are so many skills which interviewer look into that. Today I'll share 5 interview tips which will be very useful during your interview, especially in coding round, and I'm going to share one additional tip at the end. Please continue watch, don't skip anything. Every point is very important. Let's dive into that. Have you ever felt that you have written the right code but you have been rejected? Please comment it. I can answer for it. Point 1. The very 3 common mistakes even smarter candidate will do. Staying silent and without explaining starting the code and what actually you are working, because with this reason actually interviewer does not know what's your thought process in your mind. Most smart candidates, they'll be prepared for all the logical and algorithms, everything, that is fine, but they'll be lacking in the fundamentals. Interviewer always looking at what is the fundamental depth the candidate have. If candidate is able to tell one answer, and interviewer will go for the next question based on the candidate depth. So always have proper and in-depth knowledge on fundamentals. For example, if you talk about Java, so you should have complete understanding how actually Java works, how the compilation, how everything works. Each and every point you should have. For example, if you talk about JavaScript, then you should have proper knowledge on JavaScript engine. Right? For example, if you talk about .NET, you should have complete knowledge on .NET framework, how it works. So these kind of things you should be always prepared for it. If you feel that as of today, if you are not doing, and we'll correct it in the next upcoming minutes, just continue watch. Point 2, problem solving approach. It's not like a jumping and solving the problem. So interviewer always think, what's your approach? What are the relevant questions which you are asking? Are you looking for any edge cases? Did you understand the problem statement completely? What's your algorithm before you are solving that problem? So write the algorithm before actually you start any problem solve. Sometimes even you could not able to reach the final solution, but that times you will be selected because your approach, everything is correct. See, no one can complete usually within 30 minutes or 50 minutes frame. You may not resolve that problem within that, but what's your approach? Did you follow the step by steps to solve that? Or always are you looking and changing your approach? So this will tell your mentality at the time of coding rounds. Did any interviewer told you about your approach is good but you could not able to solve that problem? If yes, please comment it. And third, communication and confidence. So how you are explaining your algorithm before you are starting, that will give good impression to the interviewer. Okay, this candidate has more confidence on his logic. So never ever try to solve any problem without explaining or without silently. Just explain your logic, thought process, and continue your problem solving. For example, you just say that I just started this problem solving using the brute force method, and I'll optimize little after some time. Like that, you have to communicate your thought process confidently. Point 4, team fit and behavior. Interviewers not only looking at your coding solving ability, they'll look at your behavior in that team. So will you be a good team player? Can you lead team? So those aspects also interviewer always look into it. Are you ready to take any challenges? Are you ready to take any new changes? So these kind of behavioral questions also will be asked during your interview. So this will be part of your interview only. Maybe will not be noticed, but these behavioral things also interest always, because at the end of the day, we are not hiring one coder, we are hiring one teammate. Because no one will hire just a coder. They are looking for a good teammate and a nice team player or nice team lead. Did you ever see these kind of questions during your interview? Please comment yes. It would be helpful to someone else. I know that this video is already too lengthy, so that I want to cover other sections in the upcoming days. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, and please share with your friends. Please also share some comments so that it would be more motivation to me and I can share more tips. It would be helpful to you and which is available for you for free. So usually these kind of topics which people are selling, so I want to share my knowledge for free. At least it would be helpful to one person. I'll be very happy for that. Thank you all. All the very best.